Ay, so. So si Johnny Bravo, Char.
Hi.
Si Wonder Amy, Char.
Welcome to Jasper's Vlog.
And Era, and VR. Healthcare virtual assistant.
Take two, take. You know Jasper's
No.
Is this from
That's from
Mine.
Jasper.
from Jasper?
Fancy.
I know you love coffee.
You know, that's great because as we're traveling,
Awesome.
the place when we go to, we buy a mug. It's kind of a memorial of where we go.
This is really, we don't have this.
Oh, that's
Nice,
great.
thank you. Yeah.
You're welcome.
Cold doesn't matter, right?
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
And you know she'll be on Zoom or Ring Central
Yeah.
or whatever.
Yeah.
You know.
And I'll film on my
really
channel.
nice.
Well, I don't have a channel, but my website. Yes, thank you.
Awesome.
I like the bag too.
Yeah.
Because it says Philippines.
Yeah.
Just a snack.
Same idea, see?
Oh yes.
Ooh, mangoes. Oh, yeah.
Dried mango.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, we have questions. This is one of our questions.
Wait, who is this from?
You guess.
So,
Who's most likely to get out? Yeah, you guessed it right.
so I didn't see a city bus, but we see a lot of
Yeah.
things. Is this a city bus?
It's the most popular or the most common transportation here.
Okay.
It's packed.
We're known,
yeah.
we're known for the transportation.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anywhere. Okay,
At first I thought it was like, because they're supposed to look older.
yeah.
Are they older or they just
Yeah,
look older?
they're so old that the government is trying to replace it with bus because it's more
Really?
efficient.
Yeah.
Okay.
Carries more passengers.
Some look new.
A few of them.
Yeah.
Yeah, some look new, but some look just like
Yes,
that.
yes.
In silver.
Yeah. Oh, we
Yeah.
have pictures.
Yeah.
We have like so many
I
pictures.
put it in my watermelon drink.
You can try.
Parang hirap mag-vlog pala lang.
This has here? No?
Oh, yeah. Sir, excuse me. Saan po yung Manho restaurant?
Manho restaurant. Chinese?
Ah, ayun, yeah. There. Hello. Grabe yung client namin, yung boss namin. Binigyan kami ng gift. Mga chocolates dito. And Skittles. Ayan. So baka, diba, meron kami makakain mamaya sa biyahe namin sa papuntang Singapore. Tapos may mga t-shirt pa kasi ito yung t-shirt sa office namin. Love it. Love it so much. May color red tapos may kulay blue na t-shirts. Then we have the cap. Ayan, ang office din. Tapos ako lang mag-isa dito sa malaking room na to. We are actually in Belmont Hotel, malapit sa airport. Ayan. Room tour ko kayo. Ayan. So bagong gising ko lang, mga 4 AM kasi aalis kami papuntang airport mamayang 6 ng umaga. Ayan. So ito yung view. Siyempre hindi makikita. Ayan. So yung bed, pang ano talaga siya, pang family size kasi meron pang connected na room doon sa kabila. Pwede rin pumunta doon sa kabila. Pero nandun yung isang kasamaan ko. Pero in this room, ako lang mag-isa talaga. Ay, laki ng tiyan ko din. Ayan o. Siyempre yung CR. Feeling ko kailangan ko na mag-gym. Look, yung ano ko. Ang laki ng tiyan ko talaga. Uy.
And finally, nakarating na rin kami sa airport and alam nyo ba, naharang kami sa immigration ni John. So, buti na lang to the rescue yung boss namin to explain everything na syempre babalik kami ng Pilipinas.
Ako hindi nakikita.
And of course, nandyan si Amy, siya yung pinipicturean this time, pero siya talaga yung photographer namin. And sobrang ganda ng mga kuha niya. At syempre, hindi mawawala yung group photo.
Yeah. More pose? Like, Rocky.
And this time, sasakay na kami na eroplano going to Singapore. To Singapore. And finally, nakalapag na din kami dito sa Singapore. At grabe talaga, sobrang ganda ng airport nila sa Changi. Or halos kumpleto na lahat na parang nasa loob ka na ng mall. Meron silang sunflower garden, enchanted garden, entertainment deck. And then may train din sa loob papunta sa iba't ibang lugar. So sobrang dami mong magagawa dito.
Yeah, I will just.
And then you can use that snippet for something.
Yeah.
I'll do one too.
Look at that. Wow.
At syempre, nakipag-chikahan muna kay Kuya Grab Driver and sobrang accommodating niya at sobrang helpful.
Yes,
Are they living here and working?
depends. Some are working here, some are, come for holidays. You see, this one is see the face, from China.
Oh.
China face.
We don't have that pass in the Philippines. That's with another layer.
Actually,
You should try that
Singapore
one,
is
Jasper.
a small city compared to your Manila. I think Manila is more bigger than Singapore. You go, your hotel there is like in the middle. So you can tonight you can go to the what you call this the pub there, both side everywhere. You can eat and anything. Singapore, don't worry.
Everything is
Singapore,
good there.
Everything is very clean and hygiene. No worry.
Wow.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then, okay.
Thank you. You should try that.
Then we in Singapore is anything is the same also.
Right.
Not say you are tourist, okay? You are tourist is special price.
Said that it's-
Local, no, we are the same.
Okay.
Not like maybe I go
Yeah.
Philippines, go Malaysia.
That's the
Tourist and
Yeah.
locals different price. Right lah. Then if you are Philippine, okay, you please go. You want to try your local food? You go to this called in the Orchard, Lucky Plaza. You can try for your Philippine food anything at the Lucky
Okay,
Plaza.
good.
Okay, then you want to try our local. Okay, our local food.
What
Here
are
is
you
very
going to
nice.
say to that taxi
Okay,
for?
our local food here. Oh, it's very
Wow,
nice.
wow.
Okay, like you want to pay more, you can go to
Nice.
restaurant. Okay.
Okay.
Then you here after your Hong Kong Street, your one you see you can go straight, or if you turn left, okay, you go straight. It's a Chinatown.
Okay.
Okay, a lot of
I saw it.
yes,
It is a Hong Kong street.
yes. So it's a lot of different tastes. Then wow, there's here.
Yeah.
So after this, you can left, right, anywhere you can go. Okay. No worry, Singapore very safe.
Yeah,
No people
yeah.
disturb you one. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Welcome to Singapore to enjoy.
Okay. Of course we will. Thank you. Alam kami sa Pahina. Parang sarap po.
Parang sarap.
Yeah, we're gonna pick out the pick what I'll eat whatever. So I'll want it.
Those are both good. So that's the stewed mushroom. I like it. I like that. Well, okay. But yeah, you gotta have some mushrooms.
At kinabukasan nga, pumunta na agad kami sa Merlion Park. Ito yung isa sa famous Singapore landmark at major tourist attraction dito sa Singapore na matatagpuan sa One Fullerton, Singapore, malapit sa Central Business District. At alam nyo ba, sobrang linis dito sa Singapore yung mga kalsada nila. Tapos sobrang organized nila pagdating sa traffic. Yung mga tao sobrang organized din. Sobrang ganda, daming buildings. At konti na lang talaga at magsasubmit na ako ng resume ko dito. Joke lang, charot. At syempre kapag nasa Singapore ka, hindi pwedeng hindi ka pupunta ng Universal Studio. At alam nyo ba, sumakay kami sa roller coaster na yan. Grabe, hindi ko na talaga uulitin yan. Hihiwalay talaga yung kaluluwa nyo sa katawan nyo, lalo na kapag pababa. Ay, naku talaga.
Chill-chill na kami. Oh my God lang yan.
At nung kinagabihan nga, pumunta naman kami sa Marina Bay Sands. So, sobrang ganda ng view dito. Makikita mo halos lahat yung kabuuan ng Singapore. De joke lang. Pagkatapos namin sa Marina Bay, syempre hindi mawawala yung kainan ulit. So, pumunta kami sa Hawker Center. So, yung Hawker Center dito sa Singapore, ayun yung parang pinaka-food court nila. So, pagdating sa cost of living dito sa Singapore, may kamahalan talaga kasi yung value ng pera natin sa kanila in every 1 Singaporean dollar is equivalent to 1 peso sa atin. Yung mga murang pagkain dito na makikita sa hawker centers ay usually nasa 4 Singaporean dollar, 5 Singaporean dollar, and then umaabot din ng 10 to 15 Singaporean dollar depende kung ano yung pagkain na bibilhin mo. Pero yung serving is sobrang dami rin naman at napakasulit. Ngayon, nandito kami sa may Sentosa. So, dito sa Sentosa, sobrang dami rin ng tourist attraction. Actually, nandito yung Universal Studio. Kahapon galing kami doon. Pero today, bumalik kami dito sa Sentosa para pumunta naman sa Sea Aquarium.
Uy, labas. Ay, sorry. Labas ka. Laki niya. Ay, sorry.
Is it not spiky?
No, it's not spicy.
And they are not stressed whenever they dive?
Yeah.
Wow.
We put them here because they're used to
They're used to touching.
Yes.
Every starfish.
Yes.
Wow. Is there any starfish that is poisonous or?
All starfish are not poisonous.
Oh, right.
Yeah, but this one can only be found in the deep blue sea. That's why the color is black.
How do they eat?
They eat through like the little shrimps we will put underneath. Their mouth is underneath.
Oh.
I have to touch this wash your hands, yeah?
Very nice. Can I flip them? No.
Hindi mo doon sa baba, sabi mo, relax ka lang. Bye-bye, mama!
Amy, hello Amy. Our photographer si Amy. Photographer. Parang spectacular. Si Era, very good in organizing things.
Ako walang kapat.
Our Elige. Hindi nila alam yung Elige. Pumalog siya.
Pero taas na gagi.
Hindi kayo naputo yung login na yun.
Pag na-photo dyan, alam mo lang katapusan mo na.
May insurance kami, charot. Uy, ang ganda oh. Actually guys, sobrang taas na ito.
Yan.
Diba?
Wala, parang ang taas ng kabila.
Yung...
Ayun yung lodge. So, ito yung lodge ba? Parang car sa baba.
Parang ba na tayo dito ba no?
Malayo ba siya? Kapag nilakad na.
True.
Parang pag galing dito sa station na to, mas malapit.
Lilipat tayo?
Bababa muna tayo.
Ay, diretso tayo doon. Ay, mas mataas na eh.
Hindi siya masyado nakaka-stress. Pero ang taas niya pag tinitigan mo sa labas.
Oh my God.
Bakit iba yung sa fence?
Ito nakaka-stress na, medyo mataas.
Medyo mataas nga siya, friends.
Po, amin.
Gagi.
Stress yarn.
Oh my gosh. Ay, papawisan. Uy, gagi ka!
Gato! Palawan yarn!
Will you cruise?
Uy, hindi tayo kakayanin nito.
Pinoy naman na lakas kumain.
Uy, gago!
Waba ako eh. Waba.
Gagi ang taas.
Ang linis ng Singapore.
Oh my gosh. Nakita nyo naman sobrang dami namin napuntahan dito sa Singapore. Sobrang daming activities yung nagawa namin. And then actually, ito na yung pinaka last day ng stay namin sa Singapore. Oh my.
No photography.
Wala, hindi siya pantay.
Nanginginig yung ano ko, yung paa. Pero okay lang.
Kasi kapag nabagsak,
Tingnan mo doon, oh, doon.
parang di ko kayang lumiko. Pag nalaglag ka, pipilayan ka lang naman. Charot. Kaso, taas na niyan eh.
May
Puta.
net naman, oh. Diyan ka malalaglag dapat sa net.
Grabe, naka isang ulit pa sila. Actually, 3 ulit yon. So, magtatatlong ulit balik sila sa luge and then... Pero di ko kaya, sobrang taas. Nalulula talaga ako. So, bahala na sila. Hintayin ko na lang sila dito. I can't. Guys, nandun ulit sila sa may Lugeon Skyline. So, pwede kaming bumalik-balik doon. Pero, tatry nila ng 3 beses. Pero ako hindi na. Hinayahan ko na lang sila kasi kapag sasakay ka ng Luge, kailangan mong sumakay ng Skyline pabalik. So, hindi ko na kayang sumakay ng Skyline kasi sobrang taas. So, medyo takot ako sa heights. So, dito na lang ako pumunta mag-isa sa Sentosa Discovery Nature. So, dito na tayo sa pambata. Actually, sobrang sulit ng Singapore namin. Sobrang sulit ng 10 days na leave na vacation namin. Kasi talagang gigising kami ng umaga 7 AM. Tapos, halos matutulog kami ng 12 AM, 1 AM. And then, talagang sulit na sulit. Walang tulog-tulog for the whole day. Pero, actually ako, kung ako lang mag-isa, matutulog talaga ako ng hapon. Pero, good thing is talagang adventurous yung mga kasama ko. And then, gusto nilang itry lahat. Kaya okay na okay din. Talagang masusulit mo yung lakad. Lalo na dito sa pinag-cruise ship kami tapos sa may Singapore. So hindi ko lang masyadong na-enjoy dun sa may Malaysia kasi saglit lang and sa province kami napunta. At pumunta rin ako sa isa sa mga pharmacy dito sa Singapore. At nagpasa ako ng resume. De joke lang. It's time to go back to the Philippines. So medyo sad lang pero definitely babalik ulit ako dito.
So ayun lang for my Singapore vlog. So do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you again and bye-bye!